Hi, today I am going to show you mente or fenugreek kadubu. Now take a kadai, heat it and pour some oil. To it we have to add mustard seeds, jeera and curry leaves. Now we have to add chopped onions and smashed garlic. We have to fry it 2 to 3 minutes. After onion turns brownish, we have to add 2 chopped tomatoes. We have to fry it for 1 minute. Now we have to add 4 to 5 bunches of methi leaves, finely chopped. We have to fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, we have to add 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of jaggery, now we have to add tamarind juice. Now we have to add 2 glasses of water. Now we have to cut chapati like this in small pieces. We need 7 to 8 chapatis for 4 to 5 members. Now we have to add small chapati pieces in this mixture. Now we have to boil this mixture for 4 to 5 minutes till the chapati becomes soft. Now the dish is ready. Now I have to put 1 tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. Now that spicy kadabu is done, now I am going to show you sweet kadabu. Now boil 2 cups of water. We have to cut the chapatis like this into small pieces. We need 4 to 5 chapatis for 4 members. In small pieces only we have to cut. Now add these small pieces into boiling water. We have to boil these pieces in 4 to 5 minutes. Now we have to check whether the chapati pieces become soft or not. Like this way we have to check. After chapati pieces become soft, we have to add 1 cup of jaggery to it. We boil this for 3 minutes. After the jaggery melts, we have to add dry coconut powder and elaichi powder. Now we have to boil this for 2 to 3 minutes. For final garnishing for sweet, we take small kadai, heat it and add 3 tablespoons of ghee and small pieces of cashew nuts. Let's fry it for 1 minute. And now we will add this to our sweet. Now our dish is become ready to serve. Both spicy and sweet dishes are ready. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Don't forget click the bell icon.